That's it, trying to make it.
So I got this.
I'm watching Madeline paint. She's getting the green paint now. Oh, now she's working on the other one.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's doing a great job, isn't she?
She's standing up.
All done?
Oh, I was taking a video.
Oh. Helen, is it okay if I write your name on your painting?
That needs to go back to Sarah.
Helen, can I write your name on your painting? So that we can hang it up and dry? I'm going to believe it to you.
Oh, look at Mom's painting.
She is, isn't she?
Because it's in the rocket ship. That what in the rocket ship.
Can I write your name on this one as well? Oh, I can make this one a joint.
I jumped from the loft onto that.